everybody, welcome to POV Driving. Today, as you can see, we're testing out the brand new 2019 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. So the specs on this car, this is a dark emerald exterior color, so it's a really cool green color. We also have some Arctic white, so the interior is very cool also. It's a Arctic white mandarin black mixture, so it's a mixture of 3 different colors. We also have a lot of design features that the Rolls-Royce comes with. We have some options fitted also that you can see here. But yeah, and also there's the specifications here, you know, we have V12, 571 horsepower, 850 Newton meters of torque, and 0 to 60 in 5.2 seconds. You're gonna join us now for a POV drive in the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Rolls-Royce Cullinan.
Let's go. Put it in drive. So the first thing you notice when you jump into the Cullinan is this crazy quiet ride. I don't know if you can hear it, but I don't need to shout in this car. Last week we drove the Mustang Bullet and it was loud and roaring, and in this Cullinan it's all a little bit relaxed.
So yeah, how does it feel to drive, Victor? It's very relaxed, right?
Yeah, I feel very comfortable and relaxed. Actually, I've had a short night, and whenever you feel like you're tired or yeah, you're not on top, whenever you get into the Cullinan, it just changes your world entirely. You get this immediate relaxation and comfort, and after driving this for 3 days, I can understand why people put so much money into this comfort, because if you have the money, then it's worth it to you, because this quietness and this smoothness and also this easiness to drive. It's like, we were at the brewery yesterday and he said about their beer that it is drinkable, and I think this is a Rolls-Royce that is drivable.
Yeah, but we have electric steering, we have 4-wheel steering, so it's really agile and easy to use.
Exactly. So this is a real ship, you know. It's long and it's broad, and it's just a really big car, and you can feel that from the second you set yourself into it. The hood is like crazy long, and still it's very easy to drive. The representative of Rolls-Royce told us that she uses the spirit of ecstasy, and if the spirit of ecstasy from the driver's position is at the right side of the road, then you're comfortably in the middle. And just, it took me an hour and I started feeling really comfortable driving this car, and that is amazing for a car that is of this size and this power output as well. We have a 6.75 liter V12 bi-turbo with 571 horsepower and a newton meter of torque of 850 newton meter, which is crazy much power. But it's a very smooth power output, which you would usually expect from like a diesel. It's like this reminds me of the V8 diesel that you find in the Audi A8, for example, or the V10 diesel that you would find in a Touareg.
Yeah. I think that they need like a dynamic button for this car because it's a bit too quiet. It's a bit too comfortable. You know, the Rolls-Royce said that this car is more focused on the driver, you know, and I mean it really moves.
Yeah, that was like, you can see here
the power reserve. So we don't have a normal rev display. We have power reserve.
Exactly.
You know, in the beginning, Rolls-Royce did not put out their power output because they said, how much power does this car have? It has enough. That's what they wrote in the specs, enough. And then they used the engines for planes also.
Yeah, but a funny thing about this Cullinan as well is that this is a British-German cooperation. And what that means is that all the technical parts and all the driving parts, they are made in Germany. Like the engine and the drivetrain, the transmission, the infotainment system, which reminds us of the BMW iDrive. Everything that is made in Germany, and then the car is shipped to Goodwood for final assembly, and there it's all handwork. So it's not a machine-built car. All the stitches, all the seats, everything is made by hand, which is pretty cool and also very, very exclusive, and that for this price you would expect no less. Am I right?
You're completely right. Just look at this interior here. I'm going to show you guys. We have this orange stitching here, and it looks super duper cool. Don't you think, Victor? Here we go back to the POV again. We're having some technical difficulties, so that's why we're doing a different POV angle today, but I hope you guys enjoy.
And at least me and Nicholas are both in the car, and it's always fun to do a joint review. So comment below if you like that more, or if you want to see just Nicholas or just me, or we like your feedback, and we're gonna
please comment below. What do you guys think of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan? You know, what's your first impression you get while watching this video?
It's like, I'm in a left lane, and that's where a Rolls-Royce Cullinan should be. I'm currently given less than 20% power, and it still feels...
It's just, this suspension is so soft, you know. This is the softest car I've ever driven.
Yeah, it's really cool. We're in Germany right now, and we're on the Autobahn, and we're hoping to get some possibilities to go full speed, you know.
Is there unrestricted Autobahn ahead?
I don't know. I haven't driven here before, but we're in Germany, so there should be. They should have like a sign in the navigation system where it's unrestricted, and for us to know that, for us Rolls-Royce I say us Rolls-Royce drivers, you know, driving in this car for just a day or 2 or 3, it gives you so much self-confidence, and people look at you, but not in a bad way, you know. This is a very elegant and luxurious car, and yeah, the reactions that we got when we're 21 and 24 and driving these cars is like, wow, what the fuck, what do you guys do for a living? And we went to a restaurant and ate with the owners. We had a fun, you can see it in the vlog, and he was also like, yeah, you drive a Cullinan, you can pay for everything. And that's what people think about you if you drive this car. It's just crazy expensive, and also not to buy it, but also maintenance. We have the white leather seats in here. We have the V12 with up to 25 liters consumption of on 100 kilometers. So it doesn't end where you buy it. So you will have a lot of payments for insurance, and so you really need to have money to own this car. or you need to earn money to have this car, better said.
Yeah, it's not cheap.
But Nicholas, what do you think about the price and quality comparison? What do you get for the money? What do you think?
I mean, there's nothing like this on the market, so you know, it's definitely worth every single coin. I'm not sure if I would buy this myself. I would probably get a Range Rover Autobiography, and then I would buy a 458 also. But I really think this is a very cool car. It rides like nothing else. You know, Rolls-Royce has a reputation, and oh boy, does this shit live up to it. So I'm really excited to experience this shit, and I hope you guys also like it.
Yeah, and thanks to the feedback we got from you, I think we're just gonna shut up for a minute and let you enjoy the ride. Ska jag köra landsväg också eller nej?
Kör bara.
Yeah, we're parking at the bus spot, you know, because the normal parking spots are way too small.
So there we go, a small POV drive in the brand new Rolls-Royce Cullinan.
Yeah, let's just take a last walk around,
Yeah.
open the doors,
Yeah, get a feel for it.
maybe relax some on the...
Yes, we also have buttons here. If you haven't seen the vlog, you can close the door. Sadly, you cannot open it with the button. Also, we have umbrellas here. Look at this, people. Rolls-Royce umbrellas. If you know Rolls-Royce, you probably know that this is nothing new, but still very, very cool. And also here you can see the interior again, you know. This is meant to be more of a driver's car, but still, it's pretty fantastic. What are you doing here, Victor? Oh yeah, we have some really, really cool seats.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a picnic, so...
Let's have a picnic. Look at this. Super cool.
So, do you want me to summarize the Rolls-Royce Cullinan?
Yeah, what do you think of the Rolls-Royce?
So, this is a totally crazy and amazing car that has no other in its comparison. It's built from the ground up to be the world's most exclusive SUV.
And it is.
And it is. And thank you guys for watching. Check out POV Driving. Follow us in the subscription below. Check out our vlogs as well. We're in German, Swedish and English. I'm Victor. See you in the next video.
See you next video, guys.
Alright, bye.
Boom, boom.
Hey guys, I'm Rich. Bye guys.